Hey there, Cam here, and today I'm gonna make my own review and demo of this probably the best cloud solution wherein you can upload any files that you have, such as videos, images, documents, audios, whatever. And this is called MaxDrive, and it's a brand new solution that, like I said, you can use where you can back up or just upload whatever digital files that you have. And there are already solutions like this, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, and the likes. And of course, those solutions are also good, but let's find out if MaxDrive is actually better, which I'm actually guessing it is. And before I go to MaxDrive, let me talk about some of the solutions that I already tried. For example, I've been using Dropbox in the past, but I was just using the free version wherein you can upload up to 2 gig, and that's pretty much it. And of course, if you want some more space, you need to sign up to the monthly subscription, which is like I think $9 per month or something. And the more files that you need to back up online, you will be signing up for more expensive plans. And when I tried to use Dropbox, I noticed that when you use it to share your files to multiple clients, because in the past I have this video templates that I need to share to my students. Unfortunately, I found out that Dropbox is not allowing me to share my files to multiple IP addresses. I'm actually getting that warning that I'm getting file downloads from different places and it's not allowing me to do so, which is kind of surprising because I thought that's the use of it, right? I thought I'll be using Dropbox to be able to share my files to multiple clients or something, and that's the reason why I stopped using Dropbox. And then I also used Google Drive, which is of course free and you can use it together with your Google account, and that's also good. But I also got a lot of responses from different clients and students telling me that they don't like the Google Drive link because they are being prompted that it might be spammy or it might have some virus or something. And basically, Google Drive is not really designed for business file sharing or for digital downloads. It might be good for personal things, like if you want to share for your family and friends or for your personal use, but it's not really designed for business. And then finally, I switched to Amazon S3, which is probably the best that I tried so far. And Amazon S3 is good. The only problem about it is that it's not a user-friendly solution. In fact, I took some time to learn the interface and the UI and all that, because it's basically designed for developers, for programmers and geeky people out there. And so I took some time to learn on how to use Amazon S3. And aside from that, Amazon S3 might be good as well, but you will be charged per number of file that you will upload. And so in some of my products wherein I sold some digital downloads, such as stock videos and video files and templates and all that, I was being charged over $100 per month, which is kind of expensive. And that's also one thing that I just don't like about Amazon S3. It might be cheap if you'll be just uploading a few number of files, but once you accumulate a lot of files, the cost can also go really high. And that's the reason why when I found out MaxDrive, I really wanted to try it, and this might be the best solution that we need to try today. But again, before I go to this, you might be asking, why do you need to grab some online backups or cloud solution anyway? Well, the answer to that is that in today's age wherein everything is now going online, I highly recommend that you get yourself a cloud solution. Another reason is that hard drives are actually not reliable today. In fact, I have a lot of hard drives in the past, especially during the time when I was providing local video services. We were shooting a lot of weddings and events, and we have to store our video files in hard drives, only to find out that when that hard drive falls and it will be corrupted and all that, it really hurts that you will lose a lot of files that you stored in that hard drive. And so I highly recommend that you rather grab yourself a solution like this, especially MaxDrive, because the good thing about MaxDrive is that once you grab a solution, you can upload unlimited files, and the fee is still the same, which is really nice, right? So that's the good point about MaxDrive. And whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or a service provider, or whatever you do online, this is really needed nowadays, because like I said, you cannot rely on physical hard drives already, because there's a chance that those files will be corrupted. Not to mention, actually, physical hard drives are a lot more expensive than the solutions right here. So I rather recommend that you rather use a solution like this. Another advantage is that, let's say for example, you're traveling and you have to leave your desktop at home or your laptop, and you don't have to bring your physical hard drive. What you can simply do is upload your digital files in this place, and even if you go to another place and you use any laptop whatsoever, you can still access your digital files. And finally, if you already have a team online, and of course you need to share your files to your teammates, or if you're a service provider and you need to share your files to your clients and your customers, then again, you really need a cloud solution. So yep, that's quite a long intro, but I just want to emphasize the importance of having a cloud solution nowadays. And so right now, let me demonstrate to you on how you can use MaxDrive. And so as you can see, I'm now here in the dashboard, and I already have these video files that I uploaded before. And the good thing about this is that you can organize them and access them via folders or via categories such as images, documents, videos, audios, and other file types. Also, you can always create your own folders and store your files in those places. And so right now, what I wanted to do is upload my template files, which are files that I grabbed from Envato. So what I wanted to do is store these files inside MaxDrive, so that if in any case this hard drive will be corrupted, at least I have my backup online. So what I wanted to do is create a new folder by clicking here and call this Envato. Click create, and I like it because it's really fast. And by the way, MaxDrive is also owned by the .com pal guys, and if you remember, I reviewed a video hosting solution called Captiva in the past, and it's owned by the same company. So let me now open this Envato folder and then click upload, and I can actually just open my folder and drag and drop all my files to here. Let's try to just upload one file for now, and let's see how fast that is. And as you can see, it's running really fast. There we go. So I'll just let it run so that you will watch how fast it is to upload a file inside this place. There we go. So 45%. All right. Okay. And it's actually fast, I think it's actually a lot faster than Amazon S3, because that's one thing that I don't like about Amazon S3. Sometimes it's really taking some time to upload files inside that platform, and what I like about MaxDrive is that it's actually a lot faster and it's good. Alright, so we're already done with uploading this single file. All I have to do is click done. Here it is now, and what I can do is click here, and I can do a bunch of things. I can copy, move, delete, rename, and I can also download. Let's say, like I said earlier, I transferred to another place and I want to download this to another computer. I can always click download. Also, I can click on analytics and see how many people access this file and all that. So let's say, for example, I want to share this to a client or a teammate or a customer or something. What I can do is click these three dots that I can see right here and just go here to status, and what I need to do is make it public or password protected. And so if I want to protect this file with password, because maybe I don't like to share it to public, because in some cases if you have this public link, and nowadays people can just share the link to almost anyone, what you can do is password protect that link, so that even if they shared it to public, such as black hat forums and all that, they cannot still be able to open that unless they have the password. So what you can do is add a private password here. Although for now, let me just click public, click save, and I'm really hoping that after doing that, you can find a share link from this individual file so that you can share this single file to others, but unfortunately they still don't have that for now. And I have a contact with the developers of this solution, so I might just suggest that to them. But what you can do here is go here to folders. Here's this folder right here, and let's say I already added all the files that I want to share to other people. What I can do again is click this three dots right here And again, I can click on the status, I can make it public or password protect it, click save, and then click here again, and then click share link. And then here's now the link that I can share to others. I can also enter the emails of those people whom I want to share the link. I can also add a message and even add an expiry date. And this feature is really nice, you know, so that in case you have this time-bound bonus or special offer or something and they can only download that up to a certain period of time, you can always add that here, and that's really nice. So let's actually see on how the file looks like, the share link looks like. So let me just copy this. Let me just open an incognito window and paste it here. And as you can see, that's how it looks like. And yep, the download page looks really nice, and you can actually upload your own logo here as well, and you can even see the files contained in this particular folder, which is really nice as well. And this is where MaxDrive is better than solutions such as Amazon S3 or whatnot, because they also have this feature right here. And let's actually find on where we can upload that logo. And so for me to do that, I need to click this gear icon right here and go here to Chamaltati's business settings, and here I can actually upload my own logo. So let me just click here, click upload. Let me just choose my logo from here, click open, choose that, and as you can see, it's now added as my logo. And I can also upload a favicon, although let's just leave that for now. So let's go back here to MaxDrive, and so let me go to my drive and go to that folder again. So let's get that share link again, just copy here. And by the way, as you can see, that's SSL protected, so no problem about, you know, SSL issues or whatnot. And if I open it here in the incognito window, as you can see, my logo is now appearing right there. And this is really nice because it makes your file sharing really professional, and this is useful especially if you are, you know, providing a service to clients, and let's say you're a video creator and you're making videos, and they will not see some spammy links or something, and they will be confident in opening the share file that you're giving to them, and they will see that your company is really professional because, you know, even your share link has your own logo right there. That's how you can use MaxDrive. That's how you can upload videos, upload files, and share it to your customers, clients, or teammates or whatnot. And of course, it works almost the same way with any kind of file that you will upload on this place. Aside from those things, there are also some other features right here, such as you can even see your audiences. So here you can see the audiences that accessed your link. You can also add accounts, and like I said, if you have some teammates, you can add multiple accounts right here. You can also check out the analytics of your audiences. And as you can see, I have 4 audiences right here and 2 unique audiences, and this will be the people who will be, you know, accessing your link. And there are also some integrations, and if I want to integrate some autoresponders, webinars, content providers, and whatnot, I can do so from here, and I can always click here and add a new integration. And here are things that I can integrate. I can integrate some email service providers such as GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, and a lot of other things here. And here's ActiveCampaign, which is something that I'm personally using. And yep, you can also integrate a webinar solution, and you can integrate it with GoToWebinar or Demio. And again, these are great because let's say you're conducting a webinar and you want to share some files during the webinar to your viewers. You can easily integrate MaxDrive with your solution. But let's just see a rundown of the features that MaxDrive promised. So as you can see, you can store and manage unlimited images, PDF, documents, audios, videos, or any file, just like what I showed you earlier. You can deliver files at lightning fast speed with fast CDNs. And yep, I agree with this. As I have showed you earlier, our uploading was really fast, and I do believe that the downloading and the sharing is also really fast. You also have an accurate analysis with the analytics feature. You can also share unlimited MaxDrive files and folders on an elegant and SEO optimized sharing pages. And like I said earlier, unlike Dropbox wherein they are limiting the IP address or the number of people who will access a certain link. That's not happening inside MaxDrive. You can share unlimited MaxDrive files to unlimited people. Aside from that, like what I showed you earlier, they can even access the file in an elegant and even SEO optimized sharing pages. But aside from those things, there are also some other features right here, such as it can actually speed up your website speed. Because let's say, for example, if you want to show some images in your website and you might not want to use the built-in upload feature inside WordPress, for example, what you can do is upload your image instead inside MaxDrive and then just get the embed code and embed that in your website so that your photos in your websites can load a lot faster. You can also impress your customers with lightning fast training videos and PDF documents, manage and share multiple files and folders, just like what I showed earlier. And this is also great. You have online backups and 30 days file recovery in case you lose some files or you accidentally deleted them. This is great because you have 30 days to actually recover your files. They also have unbreakable file security with SSL and OTP enabled login. And I showed you SSL earlier, which is also great. You can also add your logo. Again, I showed that earlier. And this is a business cloud. You can access files anytime, anywhere. I also talked about this. You can get unlimited viral traffic and leads from file sharing pages. Single dashboard to manage all types of files, which is also good. Again, unlike Amazon S3, wherein the platform is really complicated and all, the good thing about MaxDrive is that it's really organized and it's rather easy to use. And you can also use this for both business or personal use, because let's say even if you'll not be using this for business, you can upload all your personal files and documents inside the platform. And yep, I agree with this. You can also track every visitor on your sharing pages and segment them according to their behavior. This is really nice, And there are also advanced integrations with autoresponders, webinars, CRM, Pixabay, and other file storage services, which is again really nice. And so, yep, that's MaxDrive, and personally, I highly recommend it. The only issue that I found so far is that I hope they will add that share link for individual files, because so far what you can only share are folders, which is again not really a big problem at all. But it's also better if they also have that individual file sharing. But again, don't worry about it. I have a contact with the developer of this solution, so that's something that I will suggest to them. And so I highly recommend MaxDrive. And so if you find this useful and you want to use it as well, you can just click the button that you can see below this video, and that will be my link. And as always, if you grab this through my link, I will give you amazing bonuses. And I will just add those bonuses that I'll be giving you below this video on this page. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link that you can see in the description. But if you're watching this on my website, simply check out those bonuses below this page. So yep, thanks a lot for watching MaxDrive. Again, it's a really nice solution that I highly recommend. And whatever you do online, whether you're a service provider, a business owner, a blogger, or whatever, this is something that you need to have. So yep, thanks a lot for watching my MaxDrive review, and I look forward to seeing you using this solution as well. My name is Chem, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.